Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn the lock screen background picture on or off. So if you'd rather just not show anything when you're signing into your computer, in today's tutorial I'll show you guys how to do that, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and then select Settings. Select Personalization on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down to lock screen and go ahead and left click on that. Where it says show the lock screen background picture on the sign in screen, go ahead and toggle that to the off position if you want to turn off imaging. Otherwise, you can just turn it to the on position. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.